Hello, in this video I will start teaching Rhino from the beginning. First of all, let's understand the interface. Here we have a four rectangular shape. Each rectangular shape have a written in the left corner. Here we have a top. If I double click on it, it will maximize the top view. And if I double click in the perspective, it will maximize the perspective view. And if I double click again, it will minimize it. The same thing in front and right. Okay, so what's the difference between top, front, right, and perspective? If I want to draw a rectangular shape in the top view, it will not show in the front and right, but it will just show in the top and perspective view. You can imagine that if you learn that in the engineering drawing in the university, you may understand that if I draw something in the top, it won't show in the front view. Just try to think about it. Okay, if I want to draw a circle in the front view, it will just show in the perspective and the front, but it will not show in the top and right. Okay, how to move across the view? If I keep clicking the right bottom, it will move right, left, and up and down. The same thing in the front. If I keep clicking in the right click, it will move up and down, right and left. The same thing in the right view. But if I keep clicking in the right bottom in the mouse, it will move 360 degrees in the perspective view. The same thing if I maximize it and keep clicking the right bottom, it will move like this. The same thing in the right, keep clicking, it will move like this. In perspective, it will move 360 degrees like this. Okay, here we have a quick access tools. Here we have the OSNAP. Here we have another tools. Here we have layers and materials. Here we have a main option tabs. Okay, we have many different ways to draw things in Rhino. If I want to draw a circle, I can draw it like this. Specify circle and draw it like this from the quick access tools. I can draw a circle from the command search for circle. You will draw a circle from the command. The same thing if I go to the curve, I can choose circle and I can draw another circle. So we have many ways to draw things in Rhino. Okay, let's say this is the first tutorial in Rhino course, and we will meet again in the next tutorial.